Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about Aivex. Aivex is an AI trading platform that analyzes market and trade for you. For some of you that doesn't know how to analyze market, so this platform is actually good for you. The first thing to do is for you to download Telegram, okay, because we're going to do this on your Telegram, okay. You download Telegram, click on the link below this video or in the comment section. It will take you to your Telegram. So once it brings you here, you click on this place, okay. You click on this place to launch the app, okay. This AI Vex is actually free. You can do it for free and you can actually top up your account to be earning more. Once you register, they're going to give you a free $30, okay, a free $30 that the AI will be using to trade for you. As you can see, I'm currently earning $0.033 per day, okay, because I have not actually put in any money. So once you register, it's going to bring you here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is for you to claim your daily bonus, okay. Always come here to claim your daily bonus. Let me claim mine. So once you are claiming your daily bonus, this Aivex token will be adding for you, and they're actually using this Aivex token to trade for you, and they are going to list it, okay. Though it's not a financial advice, they're going to list this their token, okay. So you can actually register and start promoting this Aivex if you don't want to put in your money, okay. You can actually start promoting it and you'll be earning daily income. I side this. I'm only earning this because I did not actually deposit money, but I'm going to deposit money, okay. So let's see how the deposit works. In this platform now, if you deposit less than $10, you are going to be earning 1% per day, okay. You're going to be earning 1% per day. But if you deposit from $11 to $50, you are going to be earning 2.5% per day. 2.5% of that money that you deposited per day, okay. If you deposit $50 to $150, you'll be earning 2.7% per day. If you deposit 150 to 500, you'll be earning 2.9% per day, okay. If you deposit 500 to 3,000, you'll be earning 3% per day. And if you deposit $3,000 and above, you'll be earning 3.2% per day, okay. And after 7 days, you can actually withdraw that your deposit back. Yeah, the money that you deposited, they're going to lock it once you deposit, but after 7 days they're going to give you back. You can actually withdraw it, and your earnings, you can actually withdraw it once you reach minimum to withdraw. You can actually withdraw every day if you reach minimum withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is $10, okay. So for you to top up, you can actually come here. Don't forget to do this tax when you come here so that you get $10, okay. So you subscribe for you to get $10, okay. So once you are done subscribing, you come here to claim daily. Somewhere here to claim daily, then you can share your invite link, okay. So you scroll up like this. As you can see, you see top up, okay, you see withdraw. All these features, they are working. So you can click on this top up, click here to calculate income, okay. So you can actually read more here, okay. So as you can see, I'm earning 1% daily income because I have not actually deposited anything. Once I deposit above $10 now, I'll be earning 2.5% daily. That is, the artificial intelligence bots will be using my money to trade for me, and they will be giving me my income on a daily basis, okay. So I'll be earning 2.5% profit, okay. So this is actually what they predicted about Bitcoin for now. Okay, so once you scroll up, I encourage you to read these frequently asked questions. How does AI Vex coins bring profit to your balance? How to earn AI Vex coins? How much are AI Vex coins and how to withdraw them? How does AI Vex generate trading recommendations? How does AI Vex trade? How to top up your balance to make a profit? What commission does Aivex charge? How much profit does Aivex make? How to withdraw USDT profit? How to earn additional Aivex coins through the bounty program? My question is not on the list. What should I do? Okay, just try to go through all of this for you to actually know more about the project. Okay, remember, this is not a financial advice. I just saw an opportunity and I say let me share it with my people, because I like taking risk. So if you are not a risk taker, don't put your money there, as this is not a financial advice. Online platform is not our father's company. So if you know that it doesn't have the mind to do online business, don't put your money there. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share with your friends. And if you're not in my WhatsApp community, I'm going to drop the link to my WhatsApp community below this video in the description box of this video. Click on it to join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates, because we are starting a drop back to back now. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video.